Hello everyone, it is Susan here and welcome to today's video where I will be sharing hashtag ATCoinwithus, which is making 3 ATCoins holiday themed. The hosts are MelodiMade, Martha Hamilton, Annie Creates, and by Mimi with Love. Their links will be below in my description box. And so this is the third and last week of this collab, and I've done all 3 weeks, so I'm excited to have nine AT coins to use in my December daily. Woo woo. So today I wanted to use some fabric and a little bit of lace if possible. I'm finding it difficult to put like any type of lace or trim on circular pieces. So it just makes it, I don't know, a little bit harder, but we're gonna try today. I don't know, I guess it doesn't really matter which one I start with. I wanted to speed up just for a few minutes because this coin took extra long to make. So I didn't want the video to be too long. So I am speeding this section up. So of course I started with my adhesive, and it was just, some glue stick. And I'm using this absolutely beautiful fabric. It is gorgeous. I love it. And like I have been doing, I'm using my close to my heart, like sandpaper, to sand the edges of the fabric. And because it took a little bit too much of the fabric off of the top of the coin, I'm going to add some ink to the sides of the coin, as well as just a little bit on the top. I don't want to put a lot of the ink on the fabric because I think the fabric is so beautiful. I don't want to mess with that. So once I have that all edged the way that I wanted it, I am going to try to figure out how to add this little piece of trim. And as I was playing with it, I kind of liked it if I bent it to be more like the shape of the coin. Going like straight across like that was not good. I didn't like that. This was a little bit difficult to do. I don't know. Maybe it was just a piece of trim, but it was a little difficult to do. But I did it. It's fine. It's done, and it looks beautiful. But I struggled with that just a little bit. And I thought that was good. And then I had pulled out these die cuts to use. And as I'm looking at them, I'm like, oh, no, wrong color, red. And I just got rid of those. Those were from my last year's collection for my December daily. They were made by Photoplay. So I decided to totally switch gears and pull out my wood veneer. So I pulled out 3 different pieces of wood veneer, and I like that much better. So now I'm still trying to figure out, well, what else am I going to put on here? So I pulled out just a little bit of this Recollections trim, and it does have adhesive on the back of it. And also just a little bit of the eyelash trim in gold. I think anything that you put this trim on is just stunning. I just love this trim. So I'm going to cut a little piece of that off, and I put it on the bottom. And then I put that little piece of the Recollections trim over the top of it, and it actually held it on fine. And yeah, so I was happy with that. And then all I needed to do was get this little reindeer on there. And it came out super cute. So I'll use my Tombow Aqua liquid adhesive and put that little deer on there, and I am good to go. So I'm happy with this one, and now we are going to start on the second one. And again, I'm going to try to use some trim on here somehow. Maybe if I did half and half, something more like that. I don't know, I'm like questioning. It's just a question, I don't know. I think it's worth a try. I like this one better on here. So what I'm gonna do is cut this down the middle. So I'm experimenting with you guys, as you can tell. We'll figure it out. We will figure it all out. All right, so I'm gonna put some, I'm gonna put actually Fabri-Tac on this whole thing. And then let's get these pieces down and cut them. Okay, so that's down. And I'm gonna keep that frayed edge and put it right up against that. All right, so now very carefully, I'm gonna turn this over and let's trim. When you put things like this into an album, whether you make a traditional December daily album or a journal or however you do yours, don't you think that even if you have something to use in it, it just all comes together, right? It just somehow all ends up working. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I am not going to sand the trim though, because I'm afraid that I'll pull it right off. So I'm just going to clean up this fabric. All right. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I am going to put a little bit of this on. I don't want to see any white top on this side of the coin. I'm going to leave this side of the coin where it is that natural wood color. All right. So far, so good. So then let's go with another, maybe another, another, what are they called? Wood veneer. Which I like, don't get me wrong, I do like it. I had a third wood veneer and I seem to have lost it. Oh, here it is. It was the ornament. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Easy peasy. Let's keep it easy peasy. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep. I got stuff sticking to me all over the place here. All right, let's just put a little bit of adhesive and we're good. I like that piece is long because this has a very vertical look to it, and I like that. Super cute, super easy. Love it. Okay, so that's number 2. And one more. So I have these 2 fabrics. I'm thinking I'll go with this one. And we're going to go back to using, well, let me see. I was going to say we're going to go back to using the glue stick, but I really love that effect. Should I try to do that again, where it's like almost like a third of it is the trim and the rest of it is the fabric? I kind of really like that look. Look at how pretty that is. You know what? I'm going to go for it. This time I'm not going to cut this trim though, just by virtue of the type of trim that it is. I mean, I could. I was going to say I can't cut it because there's really not a good place to cut it, but I could cut it right down that elastic piece in the center there. You know what? Let's do it. Let's trim this. I don't know how straight I can do it though. I'll go a little bit more just to make sure it's long enough. All right. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to put that there. Oh, you know what I could do? I could actually use this piece as well and do like a double lace. Oh, I love it. Let me show that to you. It's like a little double lace. Isn't that cute? And then let's do this. And again, I like that frayed edge, so I'm just going to keep that on there. And yep. I'm afraid to like pick these up. I don't want to mess up that lace or that trim, I should say. All right, let's cut this. And we'll put a wood veneer on here, and I think we'll be good to go. I'm trying to remember where that gold pen is. I'm sure I put it somewhere that I could find it easily, if you know what I mean. But I have no idea where that is. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, look at how cute. Look at how cute. All right, let me clean up the fabric. Oh my gosh. I love these. Super cute. Have you ever done one like this where it's like half and half? Let me know. And you please go ahead and click on the hashtag of ATCoinwithus, and you're going to see everyone's videos that are participating in this. And there's quite a few people, so you'll want to check out the videos for sure. All right. Ooh, I'm loving this. Okay, so now this one, I do have this big pine cone that I can put on there, and I love that. Just easy and pretty, right? I mean, just perfect. And I'm going to hang it down because that's how pine cones are. They hang down, not up. So that's what I'm going to do. Like that. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm loving this. All right. So those are my, excuse me, my 3 ATcoins for today. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this. Starting with, Thanksgiving week, I'm like full 100% Christmas. And yeah, I have a collab actually planned with Melody from MelodiMade for December, for the first 3 Sundays in December. So a video will be coming out at the end of November about that, to announce that. And we have some fun little prompts for you. And so I hope that you join in on that with us. And that's it. So thank you so much for being here. And I pray that you have a wonderfully blessed rest of your week as well as your weekend. All right. Bye-bye, everybody.